welcome back to another one of my videos. I hope you're having a wonderful day and are doing well. So this video is a really exciting video and a very special video, and technically my first official guest star other than the guinea. So my husband is in this video, as you could probably tell from the intro, and it's going to be all about his Mandora bracelet, which is his Pandora bracelet. And basically I thought it'd be fun to have him come in and start along with me and talk to us about his Pandora bracelet and what he likes about it, how he wears it, and how he styles it. So he is a little camera shy, so he doesn't want to show his face on this video, so we're going to kind of film it without his face showing with the rest of him, kind of like how I did it, you know, about a year ago. So hopefully that's okay with you guys and you can respect his privacy. And yeah, I'll bring him on over. So without further ado, let's get started in the video. Hello everyone, so here is my husband.
Hey, how's it going?
And hi husband. And so we're going to be talking about his Mandora bracelet. So where is your Mandora bracelet?
Right here.
Oh, there it is. So to start off with, I'm going to be asking him some questions just so he knows kind of what to talk about. So can you tell me how you got into Pandora? Like, why did you want a Pandora bracelet?
Well, I kind of wanted to get a bracelet to wear with my suits, because I usually wear a watch on one arm, but then my other arm is completely empty. So I just kind of needed a cool accessory to go on that arm. And it makes it just, I don't know, kind of cool.
Yeah, it does make it really, really cool. And it's neat too because it's more, this is definitely more masculine feeling than feminine feeling, which is, I think, something that makes some people or men to be a little more hesitant about wearing, you know, jewelry, is that if it looks too feminine. But you've done a really good job at making it very masculine feeling. So can you tell me a little bit about how, you know, how you got this bracelet? What was the story behind it?
Yeah, so during our wedding day, during our first look, I actually got you a Pandora bracelet, your something blue bracelet.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, and then at the same time, you actually got me this bracelet as a gift for me, so it was kind of really cool. It was, you gave it to me during our first look, and I wore it all throughout our wedding, so it was really cool.
Yeah, it is really cool.
And then, yeah, so I don't know, do you want me to talk about some of the charms that are on there?
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about each of the charms and the meanings behind them.
Sure, yeah, so basically there are the two Murano charms. They're two wooden Muranos to represent our guinea pigs. They're slightly different colored wooden charms because we do have slightly different shades of brown for our guinea pigs.
But they're pretty much the same color.
Yeah, so they match really well, so it's really cool. And then I've got two clips. One is the world clip, and so this is to represent a lot of the travel that I get to do. And then there is the DaVinci clip, which represents a lot of the techie and creative design type work that I do. And in the middle is the cross, which really represents the fact that we got married in a church, and my religion, and your religion as well.
No, that's really, really special. So did you have these ones, like, to start off with?
No, yeah, so I, on the actual wedding day itself, I didn't have the wooden Muranos. I added them in maybe about a year afterwards.
Yeah, and we got these wood Muranos from the store that Nicole recommended to us, which is really cool. So Nicole, part of this was because of you, that he ended up getting these two wood Muranos. So we're really hoping that Pandora does more wood Muranos. They retired them quite a few years ago. So it's kind of sad. Is there any other charms that you would put on this bracelet?
No, I really like it the way it is. It's kind of simple, but still really elegant and nice. So yeah, I don't really want any other charms on this bracelet. Just
not even any Disney, because he's a big fan of Disney too.
Yeah, you know what? If Disney ever made like a wooden type of a charm, that'd be actually kind of really cool. I can maybe like swap out the wooden Muranos for some Disney wooden charms, but I don't think they'll ever make any of those. So.
The wood like idea with Disney sounds so cool. Actually, like I would have never even thought of that. That's actually a really cool idea.
Yeah, maybe one day. We'll see.
Maybe one day. We are also thinking about getting my husband's oxidized bracelet. They are retired now, but we have seen some on Rulala. Unfortunately, they don't ship to Canada, but hopefully an outlet or somewhere has one. So he's a size 20, is what we're thinking, right?
Yep.
So we're hoping, if any of you guys in Canada know if there's a place that has oxidized bracelets still, let us know, because we would love to get him one.
Yeah, that'd be really cool to have.
And only that is just because with the Muranos, it is a little more snug on you.
Yeah, it was definitely a little bit less snug when it was just the clips and the cross, because the Muranos definitely add a little bit more space, I guess, right?
Yeah, they totally do. I'm gonna squeeze in here. Yeah, they definitely add like a little bit more tightness to it. So I think the oxidized bracelet will really help. Oh, and you know what else we should talk about? This is not really related to Pandora, but in our intro, he's wearing his Enso ring, which I actually posted about on Instagram. We both got Enso rings to wear. Do you want to tell them a little bit about that? And then this is his actual wedding band that he's wearing.
Yeah, so I kind of started noticing that my wedding band is getting chipped on the sides, just with some scratches and stuff like that whenever I go hiking or whenever I'm at the gym, and even out for walks and stuff like that. So the Enso rings are really nice because they're made of silicone, so they don't really chip or get damaged or anything to that effect. So they're really nice, and especially in the summertime and everything to that effect, it's just nice because I don't really have to worry about the different activities that I'm doing and worrying about, you know, taking off my ring before I start working out or going for a run or anything to that effect. So yeah, the Enso rings are kind of really nice.
Yeah, that's really awesome. That's pretty much why I have mine too. It's just to keep my actual ring safe. Normally, I don't actually wear anything when I work out except my Fitbit, but now I wear the Enso ring too, so it's really, really nice.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it for this video. I'd love to know if you guys have any additional questions for my husband about his Mandora bracelet. Maybe you can give some other guys inspiration to wear Pandora.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
So it's pretty fun. And I'd also love to know if any of your significant men in your lives actually wear a Mandora too. It would be really cool to know if anyone else wears them or gets any use out of them. It's also really cool because Twirl Beads also has jewelry that they've designed for more of a masculine feel, which I think is really cool. So that's also something really neat. And I don't know if you've looked at that stuff, but it's really cool.
Yeah, the Twirl Beads are pretty awesome, for sure.
Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Take care.
Yay, you did it!
Yay.